Alright, we are looking at doing the roof truss floor design there. And floor design, not roof design. Construct the ceiling joist 2 by 6 and a rafter 2 by 4. We got a clear span of 19. A roof slope of 612 will be important, and we're going to have an 18-inch overhang. This W and king post is other information we will also use. So what we're going to do is basically copy this part right here first. I'm not going to do these angled lines down here, but we're going to go with 19.5 clear span, and then we will produce our walls. So the first thing we have to do is type units, hit enter, and we got to go from decimal to architectural. I'm going to go draw my line at the 19 and I think it was a half, wasn't it? So I'm going to go 19 foot, 6 inches. For my clear span, it shoots it way off the screen. You got to double click your roller mouse, the roller to the zoom in and out button, double click that. It'll zoom all, and you can kind of zoom out from there. We're going to go ahead and produce like our walls, if you will. I'm going to start here, and it doesn't really make a difference at all how far up you're going to come. But I am going to come over 4 inches from my wall. Come over 4 inches from my wall. It doesn't make a difference how far down you come either. I'm just trying to produce a opening from one side to the other. I probably should have just drawn that first, but there we go. I'm just going to draw this one straight over now. All I'm looking for is an intersection of some sort. So when I do my top part, mouse is jumpy here. So I'll go ahead and go to that line. I'll come over 4 enter for my wall again. Come down, doesn't make a difference how far you come down. Go over 4 enter. And up. So in essence, then I can erase those two lines. So I've got my two walls, one wall on my left, one wall on my right. And again, that is the same as basically what we have right here. So what I need to do is then produce we're going to do a king post design with a 2 by 6 ceiling joist and a 2 by 4 layout. So we got a 2 by 6 ceiling joist. So what we're going to do, it did say 18-inch overhang as well. So I'm going to start in this lower upper left-hand corner. I'm going to come over 18 inches straight. That's our overhang. 18 inches for my overhang. I'm going to come up my, I think it was 6 inches for the ceiling joist. And I'll come over all the way. I will draw a line from there. I'll come over my 18 inches again and intersect it up. I could trim this back, or I'm just going to grab it, move it back. So I've almost got my ceiling joist in here now. I'm going to go ahead and drag this one all the way across as well. So there's my ceiling joist. Now I want to start producing my rafters, and I said that my rafter was a slope of 612. So in order to do a slope that is 612, I'm basically going to go just from this line right there, the upper left, I'm going to come over 12, up 6. If I want to go again, I can make like little stair steps if I really wanted to. I go over 12, up 6. Now I'm also going to do the same thing on the other side. I'll show you, I'm going to get the lines in here is what I'm getting at this point. Start from there, let's go over 12, up 6, over 12, up 6. Now what that's going to give me are my angles for the lines that I'm going to use. So if I hit the line button again, I'm going to go from here to there. We're going to combine these in just a second. Draw another line from here to there. I say that didn't look right. I didn't grab the right run or hit the right line. I went to the midpoint instead. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fillet these because we've used that command before. I'm going to come up here and go to fillet. And as long as my radius is set to 0 down here at the bottom, it says radius 0, I should be able then to select that angled line and then select this angled line, and now that gives me my roof. I'll go ahead and come in here and erase out the lines that I used just to get the slope. And then I will go ahead and start offsetting some thicknesses here for the actual beams, instead of, not the beams, but the roof trusses. So I'm going to go to offset. I believe it's at a 2x4 construction, so I'm going to go 4 enter. And I'm going to take that one and go below it. I'm going to take this one and go below it. And that, in essence, is going to be my roof, my 2x4 for my truss. Now, it's said to do a king post design, so that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to draw a line. A king post design is a straight down post. It's a really, really simplest one you could possibly make for a roof truss. And then I'm going to offset that one. I guess we'll go 2 inches each way because it did say 2x4 construction. So I'm going to go 2 inches that way, and I will go 2 inches this way. So I can then erase out that. So this is called a king post design right here. The only thing I got to do is come back and make sure that all my corners and everything are all good. This thing is funky when it goes, it's bouncing all over on me. Same thing over here. And then I'll do the same thing up top there as well. And actually, I'm going to have a line going straight up in the air here. I've got the 2 lines up and down. From there, not 2 lines. The 2 boards are meeting. So then I would trim that out so it looks like one board. Might as well just do it, I guess. Grab this and pull it down as well. And in essence, we just created a roof truss design right here. This is the first one. I'm going to do a second video for the second one.